Okay, well I guess we get to drawing. Greetings viewers! Today we are doing an attack on Artfight, and I clicked random character like 200 times. I think I did it for like 45 minutes or so, and I came across this bird called Theo. This is who we are drawing today. We've got a long head on some of these, like here, so it's like a this sort of head, shaped like that, and then we have the hair. Yeah, the hair is here, I believe. Yes, the hair is there. So I will do that, and then the beak, bottom beak, it's like so, and then the top beak is like that. But closed, it just kind of is long. And we just want to be left with this lovely drawing of a bird. I've come at a standstill. Okay, let's try and draw another one. Let me just double check what the permissions are on this character. Okay, so do not change my character's major defining features, races, body types, skin color, or any important markings they may have. Note you can change some features when translating human, furry, and pro etc. Okay. And then loads of other stuff that we're obviously not going to do. Please do not gender bend them. Right, we're going to draw a bird. Look at that. Have you ever seen something so beautiful? In all seriousness, I think our friend Theo here would look brilliant in a suit. And they have a little bow as well, so we can use that bow with the suit. So essentially all I really need to do is get the head okay. And once I've done that, I suppose I can work on making a suit of sorts. So I think I'll just lock in for this bit and I'll see what I come out with afterwards. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, quick break. Okay, we've got an interesting design here. Let's get to overlaying.
What the dog doing?
There we go. The beak is a lot thinner now.
What the dog doing?
Let's get the insides first. You know, Big Happy released a video the other day. I got loads of views, which is so lovely. Select this, move you up here, and now this And this.
What the dog doing?
You know, if you kind of just ignore how wobbly the lines are, it actually looks okay. Wow!
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
I suck at shading. Like, I absolutely have no idea where to start when it comes to shading, so most of the time I don't really do it. My creature I uploaded recently has a little bit of shading on it under the tongue, because yeah, that makes sense to me. Most of the time I'm only doing the little shadow that appears underneath the character, because that would imply there is the sun above, so you can see your own shadow. But when it comes to shading in the rest of the body depending on dynamic lighting, I am absolutely lost there, so I usually just skip it. Does mean that my drawings look a little flat most of the time, but I still think they look okay. Wow! The creator will be linked in below in the video, so just check the description if you want to see the artist and their amazing art. Other than that, that is an art down for Artfight. Have a lovely day.